Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the Gumball's house in Minecraft. So let's just get started. So first of all, this is the road. I just didn't made any other house, just Gumball's house over here. And now we're gonna get in. Oh, right. So this is the living room. And this is supposed to be the TV if you didn't recognize, and this is the coffee table and the couch which I just made with the wooden planks, and over here is the kitchen, and this is the refrigerator, and there are chairs and tables, and this is supposed to be the sink, and that is the back door. So that is all there is in the kitchen. And next we will go and see the dining table. So over here is the dining table. There are just a couple of chairs and a table and a view of the kitchen. That's all. Now we will go upstairs. So this is Richard and Nicole's room. Next we're gonna go upstairs. So over here I really don't know where this, if there's a door really over here, so I'm just gonna recreate that. And over here is Gumball and Darwin's room. This is actually supposed to be Darwin's fish tank. If you didn't recognize, it's the closest which I got. And then there are two beds, and this is also supposed to be the computer if you didn't recognize this as well, and a chair, window, and a treasure chest. And one thing which I noticed might be the walls, and I must say that this is the closest which I got. I really didn't get the correct color, so there. And then over here is our bathroom. It's pretty simple. There's a mirror and a sink, and then there is the bathtub, and that's all it is. The color is also not that much matching, I know, but as I said, this is also the closest which I got. And about the attic also, I don't know where it is exactly kept, so if you tell that in the comments, then I will recreate this and show you again. So that's all there is in Gumball's house. It's not much, but just this is it. Gumball's home. Thank you for watching, by the way.